Race number 3 on the menu. Mini will be going hard. We made some updates. We're making some more updates. So let me show you everything. First things first, we finally have tires. These are, I think, Treadwear 50, something like that. Very, very soft. Super soft to be exact. Actually, the fronts, while they are Treadwear 50, they are a bit different compounds, so they need a bit of heat to get working. 195 15s, couldn't get the 16s, and I wanted to go with a smaller wheel. So yeah, unfortunately these wheels are borrowed. They are from my brother's Twingo. So for the rear we went complete super soft. I mean, you can see how freaking soft this tire is. It's a glue. But these tires should actually be used in a rally in damp conditions. Will they work in hot conditions like we'll have? I don't know. That's why they are on the rear. They shouldn't get abused too much on the rear, and they should be activated from the get-go, so no need to put heat in them. Since I mentioned that the wheels are borrowed from my brother, that's because he will also be driving this race with me, so we'll have some comparison, I guess. We'll see how fast the car is, how fast I am, because 2 drivers in the same car, I think we'll work it out. We'll see who's faster, and then we'll see how hard this car can be pushed. And with these tires, I'm hoping really, really hard. So yeah, podium finish, with Twingo taking first and second place, probably. I guess that's way out of reach, but we'll see. On top of the wheels and tires, I also managed to get the rear end open a bit more. Actually, toe on the rear end is very opened, so the car rotates like crazy once it, well, not on a turn in, but once you set in the corner, it just starts to go sideways. Yeah, we need to do a bit of training, play with the setup a bit more, but I think this, while it is a bit, you could call it unsafe, and you need to watch out what you're doing because it's easy to spin out. It should be fast, we'll see. And basically, since we are still in the stock class, I mean, there are some things you can do, but these are mostly the things we can do. Not much I can do about anything else. Yeah, for the next season, maybe we'll prep this car with a roll cage and put it in a different class, and then I can play with the power, with weight, with everything. But for now, is what it is. But there is one more thing I need to do, and that's the mount for this here GoPro, which I am filming with. Because, as you know, it cannot be a suction cup. We had a... I had taped to a seat in the last race. They didn't complain about that, but it's still not technically legal. So let's make a real mount, and I have an idea how to do that. Since I don't have roof liner, which is also illegal, I should have one, but both of my roof liners are saggy. Actually one, because one I threw away. But I'm not using a saggy roof liner because it's annoying and you cannot drive like that. So I do have these holes here, which I can use. And we'll just build a mount up to here and mount the GoPro here somewhere. So let's slap this together. Let's make it quick and simple. And you know it will not be quick and simple. I don't do quick and simple. So this, and this. Let's see what I can cook up with that. Tacked in place now, I just need to weld it up. Did a triangulation so it's at least a bit sturdier. I'll also weld in something here because I did this well. This not so much, but hey, you live and you learn. Quick and simple. Now all that's left to do is to put the GoPro in and go for a ride. Not the sturdiest, but pretty sturdy. Just let's see how much it vibrates. A bunch, but hopefully the stabilization will sort that out. Anyways, I have a mount now, so yeah.